Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys, and I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. This is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation. So that pick a card that may answer your questions, some confusions or some doubts you have, so it may help you to clear all that. So that will follow this general energy, guys, so you can stay tuned for that after this reading. So let's start with the cards for your general energy first, Sagittarius. So we have five of fire, two of air, and sun. So with these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. And maybe today, Sagittarius, you know what you are best at, and you know the people, their qualities, their abilities and talents. And maybe in your career or in your personal life, we are all unique in our own way, and we are all talented in our own way. And you are trying to work with people, maybe in your work situation or personal life, understanding them, honoring their ideas, vision, and their way of perception. And you are trying to adapt, open to new ideas or open to new people, and you are appreciating their ideas and talents, and that may be the reason, or that may be the beginning of success today for you guys, because you are appreciating others views or suggestions, guys, and you're considering the options what works best for you. Or maybe for some of you, you are taking time, you are taking people's suggestions on certain things. It may be something to do in your career, maybe some important decisions in your career or something important in your personal life. But whatever it is, you are not rushing towards those decisions. You are thinking, taking time, considering the options, the pros and cons in any decision. Then you are uh, finding that balance too. So you know what you need to do today, guys. Sagittarius. So, the right action, you are waiting for the right time to do the right actions. And that may be the reason certain things are uh, going to go extremely well for you guys. Your patience is reaping great rewards for you. So, you are your relationship is simply going to flourish, or maybe in your career things are going to go extremely well for you guys, and your clear thinking, or you understanding the people you work with, so that is what is taking you towards some positive changes or some good things for you today, guys. Or you are waiting for the right time, that may be the reason for success, and you are really grateful for the help people have given you. It may be someone from your work situation, or it may be this person you love. So you are really thankful for their role or for what they have given you, and your patience and your understanding and adaptable nature, that is what is taking you towards some things, greater things today, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. we have 9 of air. So with this card in your relationship, guys, maybe you are changing the way you perceive your situation. Maybe certain things are beyond what to say, beyond your control. You are unable to do anything today, but you are understanding the true value of this person, understanding why things are going in a particular way. You are seeing things from their perspective, and you are letting go of all the negative things, maybe the negative thoughts or negative memories, or your fears, and having that hope for that brighter future. And you feel uh, that if you are confident enough, have that hope or faith in a better future for this connection, everything is going to go all right, and that is what is happening. So your positive attitude is bringing you greater possibilities and better chances for you in this love, guys, in this connection, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card specific to your career situation. Empress. So with this card, guys, you are going to see success, happiness, and maybe for some of you it may be a new beginning in your career, guys, maybe a new job or a new opportunity coming your way, guys. So that is the energy, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards, and whatever your situation is, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this aside. So let's see what it is. We have Passatine Garnet. So this is the card for you all, guys, and this is your crystal for those who have chosen this card. So this card just means that you are unique in your own way, and you are really working hard, trying really hard to make people like you. But you need to stop that, because your soulmate, the person who is amazing, glorious, and who is the perfect match, is waiting for you to come towards you. So you need to understand that whatever you are trying to hide or whatever you are trying to change for to make people like you, or for yourself to have that understanding, you need to give up that fear or whatever apprehensions you have, and feel comfortable in your own skin. So whatever you are, you should not be ashamed to show that, and you should be truthful to your heart. You should show your authentic self. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you're charming, charismatic, and sparkling, and you are a brilliant person in your own unique way, just like everyone else is. So you need to shine brightly, whatever you are, instead of trying to hide or change yourself, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you are authentic to yourself, you will find that authentic love today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who have chosen the second card. And this is your card, guys, the second card. And it is the juniper tree, deception. So with this card, the energy is that for you all is that it just means that you have been carrying a great burden till now. Maybe it is someone else's responsibility, not yours, and you are carrying so much sadness within you because of that. And you must let go of that sense of feeling that everything is your fault, and you have a good heart. That is the reason you are thinking that it is your fault that certain things are happening in your life today, guys. But you should not lose hope, and you need to keep doing what you need to do today. And soon, very soon, the person you loved, that person will come back to you. Maybe for some of you, I see maybe you, if you are in a breakup, if you are in a separation, this person is going to come back to you, is going to build that understanding. Maybe there is a third party involved. That may be the reason that you feel that sadness today. But you need to do the right thing, and whatever happiness or whatever love you lost is coming back to you. And you should not act out of your anger or resentments today, guys. You have to have compassion in your heart. And when you are compassionate, your situation is going to change. And maybe for some of you, you have taken up false blame, or someone has blamed you for something which is not your mistake, and you are accepting it because you are a person of a very good heart. But you need to understand that it is not your responsibility and it is not your burden. So you need to let go of that, but have that compassion in your heart, and don't act based on your impulses. When you do that, you are going to find the person you love coming back to you, understanding your situation and understanding the whole scenario, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and you are getting second chances at life, at love. So whatever you missed, that is going to come back to you, guys. That is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.